Hello, my Valentines. It's estimated that yesterday on Valentine's Day, over 88 million fresh flowers were delivered. That's crazy. So it doesn't matter if you received flowers from someone or if you bought them for yourself, like I did, because you're worth it, honey. Or if you're gonna go buy some for yourself right now or this weekend, or you buy yourself some every week. I'm gonna share with you a few tips to help your fresh flowers last longer. Okay, so first up, we are going to cut our stems. Now, the most important thing about this is you're gonna wanna cut your stems at an angle. This prevents the stem from sitting flat on the bottom of the vase. And whenever it's at an angle, it allows for much better water intake. So I usually cut about an inch or two up from the bottom and cut it at an angle. So, woo! Okay. And yeah, sometimes they go flying, so you may want to kind of do it down in the trash can or be prepared to be shooting stem missiles in whatever room you're in. Okay, so next up is pruning. And by that, we mean taking off any leaves that are going to be below the water line. So if you notice, I have not done my water yet, but I can kind of gauge it with my vase and hold here and see that these leaves are going to be below the water line. So I'm going to want to remove these leaves, and this is going to help prevent bacteria growth in my water, which is going to keep my water fresher, more fresh. And then also, it's going to make my arrangement look so much better. Alrighty, next up is our water. Okay, so if your arrangement came in a vase, then chances are you've got water and plant food taken care of. Now, if you bought it by a bundle and plan to put it in a vase yourself, this step is for you. Also, you're gonna need to do this about every 2 to 3 days. So even if your vase and water is taken care of right now, you're going to need to go through this step anyway. So, water-wise, room temperature, nothing special. All right, and then you've got your plant food, which if you bought it by the bundle, one of these should have come with it. Like I said, if you got it in a vase already, it should already be in there. You should be good to go. Now, I'm just gonna do a little snip. We're gonna add this food into our water. Should be good for a quart of water, usually these baggies are. And you could just go and buy some more for next time whenever you change out the water. And then just give it a little swirl. Some people go down there with a spoon and really get into it. But, you know, just make sure it's pretty good and mixed. Mixing, mixing, mixing. Alrighty, here they are. Gorge. Okay, so now just a few more quick tips. You're going to want to avoid direct sunlight for your fresh flowers. Also avoid heat and drafts. If you can, keep your flowers away from ripening fruit. Ripening fruit actually emits a gas called ethylene, and it can mess with the longevity of your fresh flowers. So it's best if you can to keep it away from ripening fruit. Now, the number one best thing you can do to keep your flowers looking fresh is put them in the fridge overnight. Fresh flowers thrive with cool temperatures. So if you're able to put these guys in the fridge for 8 hours a night, they can actually last up to and longer than 10 days. So you want to talk about getting your money's worth? Put them in the fridge, baby. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Now, either go out and get yourself some flowers or enjoy your fresh flowers and take care of them. And we will see y'all next time. Be well.